Welcome to a day in the life of a marine conservation intern working at the marine protected area of Sorrento Bay. Today we'll be taking you through our responsibilities as well as the other research projects going on through Sant'Anna Institute located in Sorrento, Italy. Our day starts by a 40-minute bus ride down to the hiking point, which is then another 45 minutes where we'll meet our mentors and other volunteers to create a daily schedule.
Here you'll see us arrive at Salvatore's house where we will grab the keys to Sorrento's Bay's buildings. Then you'll see us arrive at the bay. We'll go ahead and start and set up the tables, the informational center, and then we will go ahead and start the day off by counting people in different locations where they are the platform, beach, sea, wood, other, total, and us. We will also help out with guided tours like kayaking, snorkeling, and botanicals. And then our last duty of the day is boat monitoring, where we will go ahead and write down whether they're authorized or unauthorized. We'll also inform them about the area and help protect the bay by keeping boats out.
My name is Indy. My major is in biology with a focus in marine biology, and the research project that I'm doing here is monitoring the biodiversity of fish in the small bay of Sorrento. In order to do this, I have surveying days where I'll hike to the bay and swim in the water for about an hour and a half at a time and record all of the fish that I see and the size of them. The preparation that went into this was basically learning to identify and tell the size of fish within the water. At the end of this, we hope to have a lot of perspectives on the data, looking at the size and abundance of the fish all throughout the bay, as well as their interactions with the various environments in the bay.
Hello, my name is Yasmeen and I am a third-year biomedical laboratory science major at Michigan State University. This summer, I've been studying microplastics on the beaches here in Sorrento, Italy. Each day, I collect sand samples from two sites, Marina Piccola and Marina Grande, at different distances from the shoreline, both 3 meters and 9 meters. After collecting, I rinse the sand in filtered water to separate out microplastics, then sort the particles into labeled petri dishes by type. This includes foam, fiber, film, fragments, pellets, and others. And my goal of the research is to better understand how microplastic pollution varies by location, distance, and season in coastal environments.
Hi, I'm Clarissa. I'm an environmental science major and I'm researching marine litter in Sorrento Bay. My day-to-day work at the bay involves a few cleanups of various areas, such as the beaches, seabeds, or diving platform. Then I sort through the litter and record the number of pieces in each category. Categories are divided by size and material, such as plastic, paper, and metal, in order to determine the most prominent types of litter. This project is meaningful to me because I'm passionate about the crisis of plastic pollution, and I want to be able to use my results to raise awareness about the harms of single-use plastic, especially in protected natural environments such as Sorrento Bay.
As interns, outside of our work in the bay, to see more work in marine biology, we attended a field trip alongside Sant'Anna's marine biology class to a sea turtle rescue center and to the Aquarium of Naples, where we had a chance to learn about how human actions and waste can harm sea turtle populations and how the Recovery Center helps them. Our visit after the rescue center to the Aquarium in Naples showed us a further look into Mediterranean species and their habitats. And that wraps up the work of the Sant'Anna marine biology interns and researchers.